Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TapTap Send to transfer money to Ghana. So first thing you need to do is open up your TapTap Send app and then log in your account. Once you do that, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. From here, you need to click on this country name at the top and then it's going to show you this drop down. From here, you need to click on this Ghana option. Once you select Ghana, it will show us right here, and then you can also click on this add promo code button to get $5 bonus in your transfer. So simply click on that and then simply enter the promo code in this box. So I'm going to give my bonus code in description of this video. You can enter it and then you can click on this enter button, and once you do that you will get $5 bonus on your first transfer. Once you do that, it will ask you to choose a recipient. So simply click on this add new recipient option and then simply enter your receiver details. So you can choose bank account, MTN, Airtel Tigo or Vodafone. So simply select the preferred method that you use. So I'm going to select bank. Now on this page you have to enter your full name, bank name, bank account number, and then again enter bank account number. And once you fill up all these details, simply click on this next button and then it will send the money to Ghana. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.